10 Ways to Earn Money Online. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. There are numerous ways to earn money online, and the specific method that suits you best will depend on your skills, interests, and commitment level. Here are 10 popular ways to earn money online. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can provide services such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, or virtual assistance. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, or Chegg Tutors connect students with tutors for various subjects. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast around a topic you're passionate about. Build an audience and monetize your content through advertising, sponsored posts, or crowdfunding. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products or services through affiliate links on your website, blog, or social media channels. You earn a commission for each sale or action made through your referral. E-commerce. Set up an online store and sell products. You can create your own products or use platforms like Shopify or Etsy to sell items such as handmade crafts, artwork, or customized merchandise. Choose your product. Decide on the type of product you want to sell. It could be physical goods, digital products, or a combination of both. Consider your expertise, interests, and market demand when selecting a product. Set up an online store. Create your own e-commerce website or utilize platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to set up your online store. Customize your store's design, add product listings, and configure payment and shipping options. Online surveys and microtasks. Participate in online surveys or complete small tasks on websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Swagbucks, or Clickworker to earn money or gift cards. Online market trading. Engage in buying and selling stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments through online trading platforms. However, be cautious and thoroughly research before diving into this option. Online consulting or coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, offer consulting or coaching services online. It could be business consulting, life coaching, fitness training, or any other area where you have valuable knowledge. Create and sell digital products. Develop and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, or software. Websites like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad can help you reach a broader audience. Social media management. Many businesses seek help with managing their social media presence. If you have social media marketing skills, you can offer your services to manage and grow their accounts. Remember, building an online income stream often requires time, effort, and consistency. Choose an option that aligns with your skills and interests, and be prepared to invest in learning and adapting to the online marketplace. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.